My favorite part about owning an Apple Watch is when you're walking and you're trying to look cool, you don't gotta break your cool to check the notification. Now let's unbox the 46mm Space Gray Apple Watch Series 11. To be honest, I didn't even want space gray. I wanted black man, black watch, black on black, but I guess a lot of other brothers was thinking the same thing. And right now this watch is $100 off, so it was out of stock. My last Apple Watch was the Series 1 Ultra that I bought as soon as it came out. Now they advertised crash detection, and funny story, I hit a deer on the way home from getting that watch. And no, I did not kill the deer, but it definitely killed my car. It's been over 3 years since I unboxed the Apple Watch, so this is a very pleasant experience so far. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, you got your charger. One thing about these chargers, they last forever. On my last Apple Watch, this thing lasted me for 3 years. Actually, it's still working because I gave it to a coworker. I had to cut a lot of footage right here because this sleeve was tighter than skinny jeans during the summertime. On Reddit, I hear a lot about how the black chips a lot, so I'm wondering if the space gray and the silver will show less chips and scratches. Low key, this space gray is slept on. It's actually very, very nice. I'm curious to how it's gonna look on a band though. I'm going to tell y'all this, I've had a lot of Apple Watches since they came out, and this is by far the most comfortable Apple Watch band there is. Apple Watch bands also last forever. I've never had an Apple Watch band check out, but I'll go buy these third-party ones and they might last like a couple of months at best. And I really like this black. I just feel like it's a safe option. Speaking of longevity, I did manage to keep my Ocean band that came with my Series 1 Apple Watch Ultra that I bought on release day. This should look really good with this space gray, but we'll worry about that later. Let's just use the band that actually comes with the watch so we can see what it looks like. I know a lot of people want a new look for the Apple Watch, but I don't think they need to change anything. I think they absolutely nailed it with what they got. Now this is a lot slimmer profile than what I'm used to with the Apple Watch Ultra that tends to stick out a lot. I really feel like it's going to get caught on a lot less things, and I hope so because it's not as durable as that Apple Watch Ultra. That Apple Watch Ultra in 3 years didn't take a single scratch, so I'm curious to how well this is going to handle scratches. As far as sizing, I'm 6'1", 175, and I bought the medium to large band. I have to put it on the very first section to fit this watch, so if you as slim as me, you might want to go with the small to medium band because I'm barely making the cut here. Also, like I said earlier, I wanted to see what the Ocean band looks like. It looks good, but I think I'm just tired of wearing this band after wearing it for 3 years. I really like this 46mm edge-to-edge display. The display is absolutely beautiful. It is extremely easy to read and navigate. The one thing I'm always gonna have a problem with, no matter how big the display is typing. Unlike my small wrist, the hands that's attached are huge. So without autocorrect saving my tail, I would never be able to use this keyboard, which is actually very efficient. Another thing they nailed is the brightness, but they've been nailing that on these watches. Like, you never have to turn it to the max brightness and it looks great. A feature that I didn't have on my previous watch was being able to play music out loud without like AirPods in. Now, I probably would never use this, but it's nice that it's there. Sometimes you want things that you don't have, and then when you have it, you don't want it. So it's nice that it's there. As far as the quality of the speakers, Apple always nails speakers. Like, they just do it right, and it sounds good. It's loud enough. And I'm actually surprised they didn't make this an Apple Watch Ultra feature only. Only thing that really bugs me with the Apple Watch is when you clear notifications from your phone, but they still present on your watch, and now you got to clear them from 2 places. It really bugs me. That doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. You don't need a smartwatch for this, but I'm a man of many timers and I usually set them on my phone. Something about having it on my watch and my watch dinging and vibrating my wrist just to assure me that I do not miss whatever I have timed is clutch. In general, the Apple Watch is a great device that I've rocked for years. I don't use sleep score, fitness tracking, or heart rate monitor, and it still held pretty good value for me. One thing you want to keep in mind is when people know you have this watch, good luck telling them you missed their calls when you now have a watch and a cell phone. But that's all I got for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.